Hello and welcome to this very quick video on how to answer a religious studies 6-mark question. Now I know there have been numerous pieces of advice and videos made regarding this, but it is so crucial that it's worth going over again. And remember, whilst you are revising religious studies, it's imperative that you practice not only the 6-mark balanced do you agree questions, but also the 3-mark explain your opinion questions. If you're practicing those, then you'll feel much more prepared come examination day. So, let's have a look at this typical example taken from the War and Peace module. First of all, every 6-mark question at the bottom of each topic that you answer an examination question on, there will be a quote. In this instance, wars cause more problems than they solve. You're essentially being asked to respond to that quote. And all the information you need in terms of structure is given in the information below. It says, do you agree? Give reasons for your answer, showing you've thought about more than one point of view. Refer to religious arguments in your answer. Now, let's break this down slightly, shall we? First of all, it says, do you agree? Now, unfortunately, you don't get any marks for holding an opinion. What you do get marks for is giving reasons and justifications for that opinion, to the tune of 3 marks. So, I agree that wars cause more problems than they solve because of this, this, and this. Now that would get you, if they were reasonable pieces of information, that would get you 3 marks. But no more than that, because the second part of the question says, showing you've thought about more than one point of view. Now that part gets you another 3 marks, usually with a connecting statement like, I think wars cause more problems than they solve because of this, this, and this. However, some may disagree because of this, this, and this. So you're giving as much time and as much of the argument to why some would disagree with you as to why you hold your opinion, and that's the key. Absolutely crucial that you maintain balance at all times. If you do that, then you stand a much better chance of getting 6 out of 6. And if you're looking for the A's and A stars, then 6 out of 6 on these questions is imperative. There's also one final thing to be aware of. It says here, and we'll always say, refer to religious arguments in your answer. If you do not refer to religious arguments in your answer, you can kiss the 6 marks goodbye, and instead you'll find yourself capped at 3. That's really important. You need to refer to religious arguments in your answer. We teach you Christianity and Buddhism. You're fine to use any of the other major traditions or religions, but remember to be specific. If you can't be specific, just say some Christians think that, some Buddhists think that. My final piece of advice before we go is this. It's to make sure that you are, at all times, during your revision, thinking about practicing. Now, it's all well and good summarising and reading information, but you need to put it to the test. So, spend perhaps 20 minutes revising a particular topic and then do a practice 6-mark question. Should take you 6 or 7 minutes. Bring it into one of your religious studies teachers for them to have a look at and give you feedback so that you are improving your technique as well as your understanding of the topic. If you do that, then you'll be very prepared when it comes to the exam. Thanks very much.